Hey, Dave, what are you doing? What are you doing, Dave? Okay, what are you doing, guy? What are you doing? Where's the worm? Dave, can you show me the worm? Where? Here?
No, that's not a worm.
How come I got my worm right there? Dave, what's that? Can you tell me the worm?啲 worm 係咪你捉㗎？弟弟？
係啊。
攞嚟做咩啊？
返屋企。
攞嚟返屋企食啊？係咪食啊？
我哋食。
踩邊佢啊？
佢哋食啲人嘢㗎。
係咩？佢哋食啲人食物㗎？係咩？咁你攞呢啲 worm 攞嚟做咩啊？你係咪攞嚟玩啊？
中意食啲人嘢，咁佢哋飽，咁啲人冇晒嘢。
No， 佢哋食我哋啲垃圾啫嘛，佢食啲 compost 啊、啲泥啊、啲爛葉啊，係咩啊？
同埋佢哋食草。
哦，yeah，啲草啊，啲泥啊，係咪啊？佢哋唔會食我啲食物嘅，弟弟。佢喺泥入邊住嘅 ，right？Yummy， 唔試見。Yummy。
佢哋係咪飽啊
？Yeah， 佢哋屙啲屎出嚟咧，變成泥嘅。佢啲屎係泥嚟嘅。佢哋整泥係咪？佢哋幫我哋 compost 啊。
They all the sea back.
Yeah, into the night.
I think the worms are still hungry.
Oh yeah, okay. 點佢 compost 佢哋 ？Yeah, they can join our compost. Okay, let's go. Ready? Let's bring him home.
Fruit.
Let's bring him home. Let's go.
Let's give them fruit.
Fruit. 咩 fruit 啊？爛葉係咪啊？爛葉 and fruits and junk. Oh, bye bye.